Hello guys, in this video I want to highlight some of the tools brand designers can do without. When I say tools, I am not talking about physical tools, but the design softwares and other internet-based software used by designers. Number one, we have Adobe Photoshop. Some people call it Adobe Photoshop, or you can simply say Photoshop. So Photoshop, as we all know, is one of the popular design software used for creating professional digital art. If you are a brand designer and you are not using Photoshop, you might be using CorelDRAW, but as a professional brand designer, you must have Photoshop installed on your laptop or any device you are using for your design projects. Photoshop has a lot of useful features. It can be used to create graphic design, retouch image, create simple GIF, and also for photo manipulation. Illustrator is another important tool utilized by brand designers to create logos, icons, character design, typography, and many more. So when you want to create logo for companies or for your personal brand, you can use Illustrator to do that. You can also download the software on their website. They have the paid version. You have to pay for it before you can start using it. So the website is showing on your screen if you need it. Free Pick is a combination of two words, free and pick. It is a web-based design resources platform where you can download free or freemium stock photography, editable vector images, icon videos, and many more. So 90% of brand designers know about FreePic because it is where they go to when they need free resources for their projects. Pexels. I think this brand got their name from the word pixels, which is related to pictures. Pexels is another platform where designers can download free stock images and videos for their design projects. So as a brand designer, when you are working on a project and you need free pictures that are free to use without license. Behance. Designers who need inspiration before starting a project use Behance to see creative works or projects from other professional designers. Behance is the world's largest creative network for showcasing and discovering your creative work. In other words, when you want to see different projects from designers, you can go to Behance and browse different projects from professionals. And also, when you want to showcase your own project, you can use Behance to showcase your project to the world. After Effects. After Effects is a design software used to create motion for your graphics, which is popularly known as motion graphics. In other words, if you want your image or your text to move from one position to another, After Effects is one of the popular design software used for that purpose. We also have Google Bard AI. Google Bard gives you quick answers to information all over the world at your fingertips. So with Google Bard, you can innovate and bring your ideas to life. Flight Icon is similar to FreePic, but it is mostly used for downloading icons. It is a web-based platform where you can download free icons of different categories for your design projects. We also have Slack. Slack is a communication tool used by designers to communicate and collaborate with their team or clients. With the Slack app, you can send text message, file, make voice notes, make voice call and video calls with one or two members of your team or with your clients. As a designer, if you need inspiration or you need a training or tutorial to broaden your horizon, you can use YouTube to get information because there are millions of videos made for designers. With YouTube, you can upgrade your skills and become better at what you do.